Jeremy, Borone Camparogi, Jeremy, Borone Camparogio. Jeremy, Borone Camparogi, Jeremy, Borone Camparogi. Now what you be a wakua? For this palace, and what you be a wakua? For this palace, what you be a wakua? Jeremy, for this palace, look for sellotape for me. I want to quickly and shut his mouth too. You do the talk, you do the yarn, you do the talk, you do the yarn. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy. Jeremy, Moron. Who did this to me?
What do you do now? It's okay now. But these people are wicked though. Eh? Look at what they did to your body. Eh? Gods are really wicked.
Sister, this God is not have mercy on me. Oh. Why would they treat me like this? Just for selling drinks to the prince.
But you are to be blamed. Eh? I told you to just go to the palace. Drop the message. Come leave at once. Eh? You went and stayed there. Look at your body now. Eh?
So why will you talk like that? I was tricked into believing that the prince wanted to see me. The next thing, wham! I was standing before the king. Sister, you did not tell me you now supply drinks in the palace now. Because this is where our problem started.
My friend, turn your back, let me take care of you.
I'm telling you, this is where our problem
started. Turn your back, let me take care of you.
Nothing is easy.
Why are you shouting now?
It's raining me. Get my money.
Why are you shouting like that?
You allow it to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That you allow it to happen. The life you are living now. This life.
You've been at it for a while now without saying anything. What is going on? Are you drunk again?
Why? Why does it have to be me? Why? She was supposed to watch the road before running in. I was driving so fast and then it happened with the flash.
Hold on. Relax. Calm down and explain everything to me. Father will be back any moment from now.
Hey.
You have to tell me so I can know how to cover up for you.
She was supposed to look left and right before crossing. Who crosses the road without looking left or right, eh?
She? Who's she?
I hit a girl with my car. I don't know what happened. I don't want to go to jail.
What? You did what? You killed someone? Is she dead? Or did I say something? Hey!
Pardon? I had killed, hit. Who did you kill?
I finally did it.
know you will be a mother when you grow up. I don't like hearing this kind of news at all. My princess, is it by hitting or you brought up one madish? I thought you were doing well before. Sister, you are not doing well.
I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
Why are you crying? Talk to me, why are you crying? Talk to me, why are you crying?
Never look at me again.
Why are you crying now? Can you say
What is it? Why are you crying?
Never look at me.
What is going on here? He has been crying since so. I will just try to find out what the problem is, but he's not saying anything. Jeremy? Why are you crying? Talk now, say something. Talk now, say something.
Okay.
What is it?
The prince.
The prince? What happened to the prince?
He killed someone.
What? Killed someone? Release that Nemo.
Where is that Nagi Koburu?
How?
Someone.
Wow. How did it happen?
I don't know the name.
Think of where you don't know.
Mother, I know it's not your mother, Eliza. Let us cry.
The prince killed someone. Who is that person? I'm gonna have.
That you're allowing to happen. The life you are living now. This life you are living now. And the other trials, it's just a testimony. Trials,
Please don't come down. No, please don't go doctor now. Do something. No, doctor is coming. What is happening? We have been here all day and nobody is talking to us. What is my daughter's condition?
Doctor, please talk to us. Is she going to be alright?
It's hard to say right now. She developed a spinal injury due to the heavy blow caused by the accident.
Doctor, wait. It's spinal.
Spinal injury.
Doctor, please, just bring it down. I don't understand what you mean by spinal injury.
Clearly means she will not be able to make use of her legs anymore.
Doctor, you did not say that. You did not say that, Mama. Oh my God.
Doctor, is there nothing you can do to help her?
Hey!
Doctor, I mean, this is a hospital, doctor. She needs to walk.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mama, wait. Mama, take it easy. Take it easy, please. Mama, take it easy. She'll be fine. Mama, please take it easy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Jimmy, come on, Mama, please. Mama, please calm down. Don't worry. She'll be fine, please. Please, I beg you. Mama, don't worry. She's going to walk again. Jimmy, come on, talk to Mama. Mama, it's okay. Please, it's okay. Don't worry. She will be fine. Oh my God. So please.
Now listen, all of you. If anyone comes asking after my brother Prince Olisa, tell them he is not available at the moment. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my princess. I hope the prince will be okay with the idea. What if it's an urgent call?
Flaunt my order and see the other side of me.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Where is Jeremy?
He's in the toilet. I guess he's having a running stomach.
When he comes back, relay my message to him.
It's alright, my princess.
Kingdom of peace. Kingdom of peace. What is the cause of this bad attitude? Kingdom, what is the cause of this thing? What is the cause?
No, the king will be with you shortly.
Sorry, thank you very much.
Bye.
Your Majesty, sit down, sit down. What did you find out? The prince is responsible, Your Majesty. No. Are you certain of what you have just said? That the prince, my son, is responsible for that girl's condition? Yes, Your Majesty. There was an eyewitness to that event. Even the family has been thrown into mourning since the doctor confirmed that the lady will be confined to a wheelchair the rest of her life. The sad news is people have been saying that the crown prince was drunk while driving. I feel very sorry for this family. Hopefully we can take over the hospital expenses. Then see what we can do to make sure the girl gets her leg restored. Sorry, Your Majesty. I'll pass the message to the family. Okay.
Kingdom of peace. Kingdom of peace.
Jeremy? Jeremy? Your Majesty. Go and call my son for me.
Sorry, the number you are trying to reach is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Oh.
What rubbish is that? What did he just do?
It's the princess, so she says if anyone should ask of the prince, that we should just reply like network provider. Sorry, the number you just dialed is switched off.
Call my son for me. Get out of here!
For me, I want to quickly shut his mouth to.
Hey, see what you brought upon this family because of your constant drinking. Now you've caused an innocent girl her dreams.
Mom, easy on the blame. I honestly did not see her. She too, she would have looked. She did not look, she just ran onto the road.
How do you expect to see her when you were blinded by your drink? Tell me how you're going to repair all the damages you've done, to worsen it all. You can't even go to see her at the hospital.
Mom, it's not like I didn't want to see her, but I'm scared. I don't even know how her people would react if they see me.
Every day we keep molding you into a better person. A great king. But you're nothing but a disgrace.
Mom, I'm sorry. Please, what must I do?
Oh, you're asking me. Why don't you run back to your bottle which has always given you the mind to act upon?
Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
There is nothing we can do. I want to be dead nothing we can do. Am I going to be a cripple all my life? God forbid. Am I? Mama, how do I go to school in a wheelchair? I'm going to be a laughing stock. Stop crying. Remember what the doctor said. Mama, please don't tell me what the doctor said and what he did not say. Because that will not regain my feet. Oh God, I'm finished. My own is ended. No, Ujua. Don't talk like that. Mama, talk to her. Don't talk like this, Ujua. Listen, everything is going to be fine. You're going to walk on your feet again. Ujua, you have to encourage yourself. Mama, talk to her, please. I'm in pain. Mama, I think you have to still talk to the doctor. Do you think? Do you have anything? Let me fan the leg. I don't know what else to do. Mama, do you know what? I think I have to go and cook for her so that she will eat something. Maybe to make her feel better, please. Juma, please, it's okay. Mama, please take good care of her. Please, I'm coming back. Mama, don't touch the leg. Don't touch it. What do I do? What should I use to fan you now? What should I use to fan you? It's okay. Sorry, eh? Don't cry, my daughter. Don't cry. Chigo. What are my feet? What are you doing? I'm in bed, I'm in bed. Oh my God. This is worse than I thought. Mama, what is the doctor saying? Will she be alright? My princess, we are only looking up to God. The doctor said that she cannot be able to use her legs anymore. Listen, the royal household will always be there for you. I am Amuju. Please. No. Like what my mother just said, whenever you need anything, please feel free to come to us. Our hearts are with you. We share in this tragedy that has befallen your family. Relax, eh?
I am disappointed in you. Totally disappointed. How could you do that to this family? A name that took me years to build. How could you? Now you are not only a drunk, but a murderer. Look at that.
Don't talk like that, man. It was just a mistake. I did not anticipate this.
It was just a mistake that could have been avoided. Yes. Now see what that has cost everybody. Look at it.
Your Majesty, my king, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't. We are talking about someone's child. That young girl lost the use of her legs just because of your son's recklessness. You are telling me to calm down?
Know that this incident is going to haunt me for the rest of my life. But please, Father, do not make it any more difficult than it is already. Just make it seem as if it's all my fault, that I'm guilty.
Let's look for solution to handle this matter. You know, things will be okay.
We're just ridiculous. You can't change. I don't know why he just never wants to hear my own side of part of the story. Please see what happened though. The girl ran out of this. She didn't even look left or right like every other person. Is that my fault?
It's okay, my son. It's okay. Don't worry, you will calm down. We will look for a way out. We will look for a way to handle this situation. Oh?
I don't want to go to jail, though.
Nobody is taking you to jail. It's just for us to go and meet the family so we can settle things amicably. Nobody will take you to jail. Okay?
I don't know. See what you did to yourself.
Come on, my friend. Is that why you are brooding all over? There are many ways around this matter. Your father shouldn't make you feel guilty.
You're missing the point. You do not even seem to know who my father is. My father now hates me. All I do in this palace these days is find ways to avoid him. I just feel like running away to London or somewhere.
No, my friends. Your father will never hate you. I mean, your case is totally different. It's just a hit and run.
This is no hit and run case. I came down from the car. I took her to the hospital myself. She was unconscious all through that drive. I feel guilty about this, honestly.
Why? Do you know the number of drivers who run over people on a daily basis? And at the end of the day, all they do is pay compensation. Look, all you need to do right now, take your mistake and pay compensations. Everyone goes home happy.
You just talk as though it's that easy. Everything is easy to you.
It's easy. Living is about negotiations. Hey, listen. Relax, okay? It's not yet over. When next you visit them, wave some cash over their faces and trust me, they will welcome you with open arms.
Are you sure?
Set the ball rolling, my prince. You'll be happy at the end of the day.
Oh, God. Thank you, Henry. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're a friend. I'll give you a call later.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
And you too.
It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose.
Sister, you're not eating your food. Sister, you are still crying. Sister, why are you crying? You need to stop.
This is not what I wished for myself. My life seems to be tied to this wheelchair. GBK. My life is shattered. My whole world has crumbled.
Sister, this is not the end of the world. It's only a matter of time. So remember, you've always said you have a brighter future. Sister, be patient. Please.
patient, you say? I have exhausted my patience.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom. This is disgrace.
I miss my real self. If I were to be fine, I would have been the one doing this for my mother. But here you are doing it for me. It's really frustrating.
Ujunwa, I understand. Okay? I understand. Everything is going to be fine. Okay? But I missed you in Egon. Ujunwa, you were the life of that dance. But what will you do? You just have to relax and cherish the memories of the good old days. Stop crying.
You talk as if it's very easy to do that. It's not that easy. I just wish that something could just happen.
Like a miracle? It's all that.
I don't know. See what you did to yourself.
Once again, you're welcome. That's an hour. And I have what say you like it. What brought you to my place?
Actually, Chief Nduka, I come in the name of His Royal Majesty, King Douglas Billionaire of Ubako Kingdom. He knows about what happened and feels so sorry about that. And he's being kept on a wheelchair due to the problem caused by his son, the heir apparent. And agreed to pay compensation to all the damages caused to this family.
Thank you. We have already agreed on our own compensation and the type of compensation we want.
Tell me, Chief Nduka, the agreement you have made. I will make sure that the royal household will keep to their own part of the bargain.
We agreed that your crown prince will marry our daughter, Ujunwa.
All I know is that I'm not going to marry that girl. How can you ask me to go and marry a people? Why would I do that? A girl I don't know from anywhere. What do you want my friends to think of me? And brother, you say this as though you have forgotten I am next in line to the crown.
That's what you should have thought about before going drinking and driving. What do you expect? That someone else will go and lie on the bed you made by yourself? No. You brought this upon yourself, my son, so carry it.
I'm not going to marry that girl, period. I've said it, and that's how it is. I won't do it.
You do not talk to your father like that.
Then tell him to do not force me to do what I don't want to do, Mom. Why can't you just get some money and settle the family so that everybody will have peace and go their ways? Do I have to marry her?
My prince, if you don't want to marry her, then take their second option.
Yes.
Which is?
Which is the police will be here first thing tomorrow morning to pick you.
Yes.
To go and face the consequences of driving under the influence of alcohol and attempted murder.
Eh? Okuna, to go this way. Don't tell me that thing, oh. I told you I don't want to go to jail, but I told you I don't want to go to jail, oh.
You see, you brought it upon yourself. The ball is now on your court.
And the choice is yours.
No. You and the others can go home to Nigeria. Congratulations.
No, congratulations. No, congratulations.
Find yourself the wife.
Marry that girl. My husband marry her. Somebody I'm not met from anywhere. I don't know from anywhere. I'm now going to marry her because I hit her. I thought it was my fault.
My prince, happy married life.
If you want that thing, what do you want to know? Who are you telling happy married life in advance? I'm not married. I will not do it. People will not want me to do what I don't want to do. I will not do it.
Congratulations.
If people think it's fun up there, I'm not going to marry that girl. You will see
it. Oh, Lisa. Hey.
Marus, that is so bad though. I called that intimidation Ezioku. I don't know where to begin to console Mama Uju. Is it her daughter's accident? Or that shame they call the marriage? That girl is in pains. She is in so much pains.
If you ask me, I will suggest they take that girl for medical treatment instead of giving her in marriage to that Prince Orisa. That is my own honest opinion.
Anyway, they have already made their decision before I return from the city. We can only hope and pray.
Hope and pray? I pray that Prince Orisa doesn't wake up one night and kill that innocent girl.
God forbid.
That's my own honest opinion.
How can you say things like that?
Okay.
Anyway, I am here for my money before I'm cutting here.
Come in. Let me get you.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt.
Marriage?
He's a prince.
I think that's a very bad idea. Ujunwa has a long future before her. What she would have done is to tell Her Majesty to take her to a better hospital. They'll make her work again.
Sister Rose, our uncles made the whole decision. They feel Uju will become a liability in her condition and the prince should take up responsibility. It's not a bad idea. After all, he's the one that put her in this condition.
Rose, my daughter, I understand your concern, but I'm powerless to make any decision on this issue. Just look at my daughter and look at her condition.
I want this topic dropped. Why are you people talking as if I do not exist? Or I don't have a mind of my own? Why?
It's not so, my friend. Is this what you really want? I think your first priority is to think about how to get back to your feet. And then follow your studies. Marriage? Anything about marriage can be said later.
Rose, you don't have any right whatsoever to tell me what to do or what not to do. You don't have any right to make such decisions for me. You don't. Please. I am a full-grown woman. I have every right to take my own decision.
Hey, Sister Uju, that was harsh. She only made a suggestion.
Will you keep quiet? I wasn't talking to you. Talking about what I want, Rose. What about you? What do you really want? Ever since we've been friends, it has always been what I want. What do you want? What? I know deep inside your heart, you're so jealous of me. You're so jealous that even on a wheelchair, I'm still going to be the queen of this land. Yes, I know that. Please, I don't need your advice or anyone else's. After all, it's your fault that I'm on this wheelchair. If you hadn't taken my cucumber and I chased after you, that prince wouldn't have hit me with his car. And here you are trying to tell me what to do and what not to do. Rose, you don't have that right. Please, face your problems and allow me to face mine. Leave me alone! Just leave me alone! You shouldn't forsake me! You put me on this wheelchair. You put me on this wheelchair. You still have the mouth to talk. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me be. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. Oh. What have I said? I will need this protection.
Please, my daughter, don't take to heart whatever she said. You know her condition.
And she just said that I made her to build the wheelchair. What did I do?
It makes me cry.
Rose.
When I see
Rose.
beautiful things.
I can't even walk. Leave me alone. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. I'm on this wheelchair because of you. Leave me, Rose. Leave me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me, don't touch me. Leave me.
Makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose.
You can't blame her for that. Anybody in her condition is capable of doing anything. Don't feel bad because she said all those words to you.
Why won't I feel bad? I've always been there for her. I've always taken good care of her. There's no single day I don't go to visit her. Why would she say those hurtful words to me?
You feel guilty?
How do you mean?
I mean, you think you're responsible for what happened to her? Your voice has not hidden that fact. Look, my dear, quit judging yourself and face life as it is, okay?
She's my best friend. And we shared beautiful memories in the past. Wonderful memories.
And she will cherish these memories for the rest of her life. You know what I think? Give her a little space. With time, she will yearn for your company again. Okay, Rose? Come.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
He's my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself.
Yes. Welcome, my son. Hey, where is your wife?
The woman is in the car.
What? In the car? Go and bring her down.
Indira, come on. My prince, go and get her.
Indira, step back. So, you do not have to dedicate the guards to take over your job as a husband. Your wife is waiting patiently there. Go and bring her down. It is expected of you.
So what are they doing in this palace? Why do we pay them if they cannot help out like this?
See, this is the part where you lie on your bed the way you prepared it.
Exactly.
So, go and bring down your wife. Put her in the wheelchair.
Dad, she's not my wife. She's the woman I married for you. Please.
Olisameka, I will not repeat myself. Go on.
Jeremy, get the wheelchair from the car.
Happy married man.
Get the wheelchair!
Bring it there.
Position it this way.
Take your hands off that thing. Elizabeth, bring your wife to the presence of the royal family. I am waiting. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's all right. Don't cry. You are home, eh? You are home. Calm down. Calm down. That's all right. It's okay. It's okay. You are home. You are home. Calm down. Calm down.
I can't believe
You are not serious. See, what are you saying? The priest must be a very nice person to marry that girl in that condition.
And what would you have him do? Huh? Besides, it's an arranged marriage. A refusal will have consequences.
What consequences are you talking about? Huh? You know, like a consequence. So let me tell you the truth. The priest is just a big dump. To allow himself get into such entanglement. Who does that? Wheelchair. If you don't know, marriage is for life, not for rent.
See, Jeremy, you don't understand that the prince hits her with his car.
And so?
She's now confined on wheelchair.
Many people are on wheelchair. Visit hospital. I'm not putting them on the stage. You're telling me on wheelchair. Even some used to do it as business. Not a wheelchair, now an ego. And you're here talking about wheelchair.
Jeremy, if that girl happens to be your sister, what would you do?
If he happens to be my sister, then stupidly the prince hit my sister. And he comes to our house to say he wants to pay us. Simple. We say no, we don't want the money. Marry my sister because we need royalty. But because it's not my sister, any other person can be paid off. You should just go to their house, wave some little cash on their face, pay them off, and just enjoy his life. Okay, look at a newly married man now with his wife. Instead of having having honeymoon with his wife, he will be the one taking care of the new wife. When they're supposed to be busy doing something, making sandal.
See, let me tell you, Jeremy, if you don't have anything to say, you better shut up.
See, I'm not even asking for an option, so just allow me to function. Because, no Bioma. See, let me tell you something you don't know. Now that the prince just got married to her, they're supposed to be in the room, not all on a wheelchair now. If they're doing anything inside the room, that they're supposed willingly as newly married couple, they can't do that because actually, so what's the joy of doing it? Separate two of them like this. I'm going to think of it. That is beautiful. What is beautiful? Oh, my spec over on a gauge. But now she's a witch. Spec prince.
Jeremy, you are sick. You are sick in the head. You are very, very sick.
And you are doing well. Obviously, you are doing well. Send me your account number. I will help you. Okay, Tamaru.
What is it? Eh? You haven't said a word since returning from our son's traditional marriage. What is it?
My lord, I think we've made a wrong choice for our son. We wouldn't have agreed to this arrangement.
I see. He put that girl into that condition.
Condemning him to a whole life of pain and sorrow? My king, he is your heir. The next king of Obako Kingdom.
And he is also human, who is bound to his drinking troubles and anger. But have you ever thought of someone else other than your son and the throne? Have you?
Your Majesty, we already agreed for him to marry Ada.
Yes, and you are a witness. He rejected our offer. Now listen. I think this marriage is best for him. Very best. Because he will be too busy taking care of Uchu and probably by his grace forget his bottles for a while.
That would be fine.
What is the cause of this fighting today? What is the cause of this thing? What is the cause?
My prince, please come and help me. I need to lie down on the bed.
As what? Your housemaid, or I should come and help you? Okay, if you cannot come and lie down on the bed, stay here.
Why talking to me like this? You know I can't help myself. Are you not my husband?
Who is your husband? Wait! Because I escorted them to come and pay your dowry and bring you into this place, I have become your husband. Sorry, if you cannot help yourself, I'm not coming down from the bed.
My friend. I need to sleep. Please, who is there? Who is there, please? Anyone close?
Do you want to rape me? In my father's palace?
My prince, how can you say a thing like that? Remember you were the one that kept me on this wheelchair. Please now help me, I want to sleep.
If you touch me again or attempt to pull my child again, will you only think about you in my life here?
I'm sorry, I want to stop being again. Sorry.
In my hand also.
When I see the beautiful things you made, it makes me cry. When I see the beautiful things you made, I can't believe.
What was our king's response when you tabled your findings before him?
I can't believe that you're allowing to the life you are living now. This life you are living now. And you're the trials.
Well, he promised to look into that matter between the prince and his wife. But my problem is the reason the prince don't even want to be introduced to Imobi. Now he is married.
The reason or the reasons are not far-fetched. Huh? We all know that he was not ready for the marriage. He was not ready yet. See, a man that was enjoying his bachelorhood to the fullest until fate now rewarded him with a very beautiful but crippled wife.
But he put her in that condition. All he would have done is to embrace her and enjoy his marriage.
See, what I am saying and why I am saying it is that time we know, waits for no one. And time wasted can never be regained. The earlier he does what is right, the better for all of us. And I'm a queer now.
You are right. I won't walk.
Oh no! Hey! Metano. Etogonu, so
Unfortunately bad.
Unfortunately bad.
It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. It makes
Oh, thank you.
See, I know what you are passing through. It's not easy to be a cripple. Huh? See, let me tell you. This thing is just the genesis of your problem. Yes. You're just reading Genesis side. By the time you get to Revelation, you see, you even prefer to be on wheelchair with what he will do to you. Any man that is capable of putting a pretty woman like you on a wheelchair can still do more than you. Dibe, see, if I were you, I know you are crippled. You are very crippled, obviously, Idranguro. But I will still try. Use my 2 nails. Crawl, brew, and run out of this palace. Because when he's through with you, you see this palace? You see this palace? This is a nightmare. A very big nightmare. He will deal with you to the extent that when you go back to your family, they will not recognize you again. They will be asking you,
there you are. Jeremy.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
What are you doing here?
I came to give our wife water. And also to tell how good our prince is. See, my dear, our prince is the best thing that is happening to you now. And will also be the best thing that will happen to your life. If you leave him, I'm not sure any man can be like him. Husband material. If you go to Abache Chariasiad, carry the whole handle. He will make your life better. I believe by next month you'll be working again. He put you in this condition, he will bring you back.
Leave. So how are you, my dear?
I'm fine. I also want to use this medium to thank you for coming to my aid last night when I needed it.
It's okay. You see, Uju, I want you to be patient with my brother. I know it's not easy to mesh two adults for marriage, but don't worry, you'll be fine.
You mean that forced marriage? I never wanted that. He should stop putting the blames on me. Ordinarily, if I was asked to marry your brother, I wouldn't have accepted. Your brother is a drunk. Which woman would want to deal with that? Which woman? He beats me, he deals with me. Anytime he deems fit.
Speaking of which, what time did you return last night?
Return? He hasn't returned till now.
You mean my brother never returned last night?
I really like to you, my princess. Are you okay?
I'm not. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. You should have informed me earlier. Where could he be?
dirty to yourself. I want this king to be you. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom. This is disgrace. And this is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much.
Did you see him? Have you checked this way?
Yeah, I have. I've checked everywhere.
Where could he be? Good.
I will not know myself again. I will recall my senses. If I'm thirsty for drink, I will not know myself again. It's after drink, come on. I will recall my senses. I will not know myself again. I will recall my senses. Omega Bakasiame, Okpanuragola, Oga Bakasiame, Obalezania, Omega Bakasiame, Okpanuragola, Oga Bakasiame, Obalezania.
You didn't find him?
I didn't, my princess.
This is becoming something else. What if something bad has happened to him?
Nothing will happen to the prince, my princess. Don't worry. We will definitely find him. We just need to figure out his whereabouts, that's all.
You know what? Let's go look for Jeremy and leave at once.
Okay, my princess. My prince.
I'm not going to say, man. You're doing well. Huh?
Olisa! Come on, help him! Please carry him, bring him. Bring him. Hey.
Come now. What's wrong with you?
Help him now. What's wrong with you?
Come from inside now. This is going to finish it. Jeremy!
Like this.
Carry him. Bring him.
25.
Jeremy! Jeremy, give me back.
Hey!
I'm not drinking, it's not good for you.
Jeremy, 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 Moroneka.
You're doing well.
Jeremy,
Bye.
Moroneka, Morokyo.
Jeremy!
Jeremy, Moroneka, Morokyo. Jeremy, Wait! For this palace, for this palace. Look for selected for me. I want to quickly in a shot his mouth.
You allow your father make the choice for you. But why? Aren't you man enough to know what is good for you?
It's not like I had a choice. They threatened me. Told me they won't involve the police if I didn't agree to marry her. And that would have landed me in jail.
For what? Nah. You have just been tricked into committing yourself to bondage for the rest of your life.
That's not true. I cannot be on equal yoke with that couple. Never.
I'm afraid it's too late. By the time the stress catches up with you and your hair turns white and wrinkles all over your face, man, old age will meet you faster than you thought. My prince, you just made your bed.
Never.
I can't believe you allow it to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That you allow it to happen. The life you are living now, this life you are living now, and the other trials, it's just a testimony. Trials, it's just a testimony. Raising up to be told, raising up to be told. Kingdom of peace, kingdom of peace, what is the cause of this bad attitude? I'm a kingdom, come on. What is the cause of these things? What is the cause?
So tired. Hey! Hello. What is wrong? That's why you're dressed like this. Where are you going to? Sister, I'm going to show off at the palace. Maybe the prince will look at his window and consider me his bride. In what time now? I don't am. Daydreamer. Akudo, please go in. Go and change these things and start going to the market. Sister, don't you wish me to marry someone like the prince? Why not, my sister? Ha! Hey! With all this thing I have, you have this thing, Sister, now wow! Hey! I don't want to talk too much. I'm very tired. Just go and pull your things and start going to the market, okay? I'm waiting. Please, please, please.
Last night I had a very troubling nightmare. I never attached any importance to the dream, but remembering it makes me uneasy. Very much uneasy.
My king.
Yes.
Please, share your dreams with me.
No, I am confused. I have tried to ignore the dream and push it aside. But the fact that that voice of the dream said in quotes, "You took what belongs to me, therefore you must pay." That is what I don't understand.
Olisameka! Olisa, where are you? And who is holding you? Whoever you are, leave my son alone. Let him be.
I will not let him be. He has been cursed to die. You stole what rightfully belongs to me, and you must pay. You will pay. You will pay.
I don't understand that.
Your Highness, are you saying that your son's constant drinking is not just ordinary but spiritual?
Yes or no? Yes, I think so. But you see, my son is well brought up. He graduated with flying colors. And there was never a time I got a negative report about him having drinking problems in school. On my own side, my hands are clean. I have not offended anybody. So who could this be?
My king,
I'm listening.
Dreams can be said to be messages from the spirit world.
Okay.
I think we should consult the Divian. He must have a solution to this.
You have a point there, no. You have a point. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do that.
I'm not tolerating this anymore. You are useless to me. You have no use here. But how you...
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? What wrong have I done to you? I know that I'm paralyzed and I'm not useful to you at the moment. But at least you should be nice to me. You should be. Where is your milk of human sympathy? After all, it was your carelessness that put me on this wheelchair.
What?
Yes!
Now you want to shift the blame to me? You do not want to acknowledge it was your own carelessness for not looking on the road before you ran into the major street?
No, you were drunk!
I was drunk?
Yes, you were! It was your drunkenness that made you hit me! Now that you've put me on this wheelchair, I don't have a problem! You are my husband, you should be nice to me! It's your responsibility! But you're not!
So it has gotten to the point where we now banter words.
To the extent you call me a drunk before my face is started.
Just be nice to your wife. What you're doing to me in this house is not good. It's not good.
Get out. Get! Oh, I forgot you cannot do that.
Oh my God! Don't do that! Don't do that!
Uju, are you still crying?
My princess, I am tired. I cannot continue with this thing called marriage. I can't continue.
Uju, you have to be patient. Right now, my parents are already cautioning him. I assure you, this will never repeat itself again.
I don't know if I'm to believe you. But to tell you the truth, I'm so scared. I'm so scared being in the same room with him. I'm so scared of the palace.
He cannot hurt you, Uju. Look, we always have people around in this palace. There will always be somebody to stop him. Look, my father has already threatened to deal with him. If he tries that again, Uju, you have a responsibility.
Please, I just want to ask of one favor.
Okay.
What if I get my own room? My own personal room? Then you can assign some maidens to always come to my aid when I need them. I don't want to be in the same room with the prince anymore. He will kill me. Please.
Okay. I will let my mother know about this and we will see that it's done, okay?
Please, my princess.
Don't worry.
It makes me cry when I see beautiful things.
Oh, here she is. Stop crying. Everything will be alright. Trust me. Okay?
I can't believe you allow it to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That you allow it to happen.
Oh no, I am telling you the truth. As no that the news is everywhere on how the prince is maltreating that poor girl.
But I've been visiting the palace. I've never for once heard a bad news about the prince and his wife.
That is because nobody cares. They only know about themselves. That poor girl is suffering.
You are the wife of the late most respected elder in this kingdom. And I know you will not walk all this way to talk on assumption, but I promise I will look into this report.
Oh no, thank you very much. At least for listening to me. Mahmoud, you don't even know that I'm here. I am here because I know what she is passing through. And her poor daughter needs help.
I've heard you. And like I promised, I'll do something about this.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful. I have to be on my way.
Yeah, Michelle.
Oh.
I can't believe it, that you allow it to happen. The life you are living now, this life you are living now, and the other trials, it's just a testimony.
Please, I'm so sorry. I know I really insulted you in the past. I say things I'm not supposed to say. I feel so guilty right now. Please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm not mad at you. I guess I was trying to pry into your issues, forgetting there is limit to everything. You're my best friend, more like a sister to me. But listen, I have to tell you this. No man wants a liability, especially a young and immobile man that you don't have any emotional relationship with.
He hates me. He hates me so passionately. I am suffering in that house. Maybe one of these days, I might go to bed and never wake up.
Stop this. It's okay. It's okay, Ujoma. Everything is going to be fine.
But when will everything be fine? When exactly? That is what everyone keeps saying. Everything will be fine, everything will be fine, yet I'm dying in silence.
Remember, we've been through a worse situation than this. Remember when we went to Obiago and you covered for me?
You made me to follow you to cover your tongue skirt. I know, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy in this marriage. I'm not Rose.
It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. I can't believe you allow it to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, that you allow it to happen. The life you are living now, this life you are living now, and the other trials, it's just a testimony. Trials, it's just a testimony. Rising up to be told, raising up to be told. Kingdom of peace, kingdom of peace, what is the cause of this bad attitude?
No, are we not there yet?
No, my friend. We'll have to walk all this way. Then we'll take the other part.
Oh no, please, don't be offended. Who still live in this kind of bush? Sorry, where do you even say we are?
Oh, shut up. What's your problem? Oh no, please. How far do we still have to go?
My queen, not
Because I'm tired.
Not too far, eh? We have to follow that shortcut.
Hey! Hey! Oh no! Shortcut! Oh no, I'm suspecting you. Hey! Oh no! Don't tell me this thing is what you normally do. Eh? From one debate to another. Behind the king. Hi! Oh no, I thought you were doing well. Eh? Now, I got pro wagidibia. From one debate to another. To the extent you even know a short road to the best place. Oh no, we are too much. We are not doing well. Huh?
Jeremy, watch your tongue. Mind the way and manner you talk.
Be very, very careful, Jeremy.
My queen, let's go.
My queen, I heard that if you take this long road, the Ezebelago used to cut people's heads. And if you say you want to take that shortcut, he just directed you. Mbadogo Muajan is there. You just take 2 of your legs.
Oh no. Are you sure I'm safe?
My queen, let's go.
If you take the straight road, you will not come back. You will see things like will. It will enter you.
Okay, forget.
Or you see things jumping like normal, like witches that are not yet settled in their kingdom used to come out in that place.
Ojo mere ha ka ha chi mem. Go fear for their body.
All trees they do open and close.
Now what be a work for this palace? What be a work?
Rose. Rose is me, Jude.
Jude!
Rose one name.
Oh my God, Jude!
Rose, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Not looking bad.
Oh my days, you look good.
Yeah, thank God. I just came back from London last week. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, Makazi. Hey.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the palace. I want to go see the princess.
Wow. Okay, enter the car. Let me take you there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I should enter this car.
Yeah.
Is this your car?
One of my cars.
Oh no. Is this the place?
Yes. This is the shrine of the great Mberede. Come with me.
Oh. Should I remove my face?
Yes.
Huh? Oh no.
I took him with the way your legs we are moving. Fia. I said it. You're a deviant. As an ila gariti jena deviant. Huh? Look at it. We just arrive in the palace flat of spirit people. You did not even see anybody. You are offering the queen sleep. Huh? You know you're a deviant man. Huh?
Jeremy, what is your problem? Shut your mouth and stop ranting. Aren't you scared? Hey!
No problem. You always take shortcut. I don't need to go through that place. These spirit people are very wise, though. Eh? They kept 3 chairs. Oh no, wait. That one must be for me.
Get back!
Who will move your shoe there?
Stand there.
Landlord, owners of this building, spirit people, we have arrived though. Whatever you people have for color, bring anything.
Can you please keep quiet? What's your problem?
See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself.
Hey, thank you so much for this. You really tried for me.
You don't need to bother yourself. It's nothing. And that reminds me. How about your friend, Nigerian?
Ah.
I hope she's married now with kids.
She's married, but the marriage crashed. In fact, Ujuma is paralyzed right now.
What? How? When?
Jude, is a long story. It's not something we can talk about today.
God. Was she not properly taken care of?
Jude, like I said, it's a long story. It's really complicated. It's not something we can sit back here and just talk about.
June, I'd like to see you.
Okay, alright.
Will tomorrow be okay for you? I'd like to see her tomorrow.
Why not? Yes. I'll be free tomorrow. So you can just come to my house, you pick me, and then we go see her.
You know, back in the days when I was in Nigeria, you know, I had feelings for her. I don't know. I would like to see her tomorrow, please.
Thank you for everything.
And it's nice seeing you too.
It's nice seeing you too.
Alright, tomorrow then.
Okay, bye.
Your Majesty, see, we have to go. I'm hungry already. You know, we didn't prepare for this journey. I only took pap before coming out. It's afternoon. Let's go home now so that we'll drink and come back.
Your Majesty, you look a little bit disturbed.
You have seen it, right? You have seen it.
Oh no, have you heard the spirit spoke? Eh? You just heard it now. Why will not be disturbed? We just enter a spirit people flat. You offered Lolo seat without even allowing the people that owns the building to give us it. Look at it, they are angry. Native doctor, I see native doctor. Spirit woman.
Quiet! The son of Obi.
Hey, Lolo. She knows my father. I told you. My father is a popular man. Everybody in this community knows him. Even spirit people, they know him. Maybe my father used to come here. Your Majesty. Oh, she's near.
Wise one. We've come to ask questions.
Finding solution to your son's behavior is a good decision. But something you need to know is whatever is eating the pudding is inside the pudding.
Wise one, you speak in parables.
Please, wise one, break it down for us to understand.
Yes.
One of you vowed that there will never be peace in the royal household because he was supposed to be the crown king. But he grew furious and contacted a spiritualist.
Wise one, who is this man?
Ede.
No, that's impossible, wise one. Ede was my husband's stepbrother, and he died long ago with his wife.
I was getting to that. He prepared a deadly ritual in the name of the prince, Olisa, to always cause sorrow and unending pain to the royal family. The prince is cursed to die.
Wise one, we'll come for the solution.
There is a bigger problem. The pot must be found and destroyed, or the prince will die.
Where? I mean, where can we find it?
Find Achalugo, the seer of your kingdom. She knows where to find the pot.
The life you are living now. This life
my son, the crowned heir to the throne of Obako Kingdom, caused to die? And knowing that my late half-brother was responsible for all these calamities, after all I did for him, including a befitting burial I gave to him at death.
Can the dead say thank you? Talk about dining with the devil. Can I ask you a question?
What is it? Go ahead.
How did your brother and his wife die?
Look, Godia, that is not the issue now. At all. It might interest you to know that Uju has gone back to her parents. She was almost killed by her husband, our son.
No, not anymore. Was she hurt?
I feel so much ashamed to answer that question.
Uju.
Now listen, Godia. There is so much to do if we are going to keep our son safe from death. There's a lot to do.
I know.
Kingdom of peace. Kingdom of peace.
This doesn't make sense. You want me, the crown prince, to go and take my bed at the market square in the middle of the night, naked? Simply because you all believe I'm acting under some influence of a curse? No, I'm not doing that.
Listen, this is a serious issue. It's no laughing matter. Your life is in danger, Olise. Let me tell you something. There are some mysteries controlled by the supernaturals that are capable of putting one's life into danger. You now have to save yourself.
By going to the marketplace to bathe naked in the middle of the night?
Yes.
No, Father. I, the crown prince of Obako Kingdom, the CEO of one of the biggest companies east of the Niger, going to the marketplace and bathing naked, Papa. Papa, I will not do it. I won't. Let's do my first.
Time compels us to hurry. No one will be seen meters away from the market as the town crier will announce it. Then we'll have the whole time in the whole world to do our assignment without interruption.
Oh no. My answer still remains no.
Listen, we are not negotiating here. It is an order. And that order will save our dynasty from extinction.
Father, all of these things are superstitions. Don't you get it? You want me, a product of one of the Ivy League schools, to come back home and condescend to the level of going to bathe in the market square naked in the middle of the night? Because of whatever reason you had? Bah, I will not do it.
Ah, Ivy League school indeed. Now tell me, which is the better option? An Ivy League school graduate coming back here to go and bathe naked in the market square where nobody will see him, and going drunk, sleeping in the gutter where everyone will see him. Tell me, which one is better?
Father, see,
Hey, listen. We are not negotiating as I said before. It is an order you must obey. Yes.
You know what people do is my father. What people the kind of father I have. What people the kind of father I have. Or if you go the position my father may take in this matter. I will go to the market and bait it. Nagas and Nako Boro knows or not. Muhammad Mia. Muhammad made that thing. From Gungalata.
My prince all called them.
Go my father.
Leave me alone! You're hurting me. Why are you being so hard? Please just leave me alone.
Leave you alone. You see why I said you are useless to me. You see why I said you are of no use. Get out. Get out of my side of the bed. Get out.
Mom, we don't need his opinion on this issue. Olisa should know that this family's name is at stake because of his drinking problem. What is his life is also at stake.
That's exactly what I've been trying to tell your brother. Your father is so angry with him and has decided to ignore him.
Dad can't possibly do that. He should understand that right now Olisa is not in his right frame of mind. Going by what the seer revealed, his life is in danger. We must do everything we can to make sure he accepts to do the right thing.
You can only take a horse to the stream, but you can't force it to drink water. Your brother is so stubborn.
And I'm not scared of him. Look, right now, I don't care whose horse is God. I must make sure he comes back to his right senses.
I stand with you on that, my daughter. I don't know what I would have done without you. You're such a blessing to me.
Where are you? You are useless in this house. You cannot satisfy me. You cannot cook. Only thing you can do is where are you?
I can't believe you allowed me to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe that you allowed it to happen. The life you are living, this life you are living now, and the other trials. It's just a testimony.
Akudo, my sister, that was exactly how it happened. What will you have me do? I don't even know why I accepted that marriage proposal at the initial time. Hey.
Sister, don't worry. That is how first marriages are. When a girl marries a man that does not feel anything for her, she becomes his punching bag.
Hey. I have even told her to come back and stay with me here. Let's just be managing. Ujunwa insisted on staying at that palace. I don't know what she saw there.
Sister, but you will not blame her. You know she believes in old traditional way. But don't worry, everything will be fine. Hopefully, the prince will learn how to love and accept her. Please, don't be angry, Nugo.
It's better. Let him change, but for now, my only fear is, let me not wake up one day and hear that my daughter has been strangled to death.
God forbid. Why will you say something like that? Please reject it. Reject it.
I reject it. Let it not happen.
It will not happen. It will never happen. Sister, don't be angry. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Please.
I pray to God, though.
It will. What I called you a danger, Dima. Oh, don't worry.
What is the cause of this bad juju? What is the cause?
Father, can you at least understand me?
You should be ashamed of yourself for being such a disgrace to my name. Even when solutions are offered, you refuse to be humble and do what you were asked to do.
I have told you this and I'm saying it again. I will not even be caught dead naked in that market.
And I'm not ready to bury a stubborn fly that is willing to follow the corpse into the grave. What has come over you? What is that? Where is my son? Where is that young man who grew up making his parents so proud? A son who stood on the podium before personalities and made his parents proud. Where is he?
I'm right before you, Father.
No. That son is gone. All I see before me is a walking corpse, which you will be if you continue to reject solutions to this curse.
I'm not cursed, Father.
It is not in your place to say. Listen, let me tell you. Wherever a man goes to dwell, his character goes with him.
Father, I am not...
I am done talking with you. When you come back to your senses, let me know.
So you're...
It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. see the beautiful things you may lose. I can't believe you allow it to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, that you allow it to happen. The life you are living now, this life you are living now.
See, that's what I'm telling you. No, just stop this. At least finally we can now have peace in this palace. No more beating and every time crying. Since Prince Olisa has finally sent his wife, his crippled wife home.
Jeremy, she passed through a lot in this palace. Prince Olisa at least would have engaged the service of a nurse to take care of her rather than turning her into a punching bag.
I don't understand. Tell me, what were you expecting? Huh? Don't you know that people marry because they want to enjoy their marriage? Huh? Yes! Instead, look at it. It's Prince Olisa that is the one carrying his crippled wife around instead of Kurioko. Nah, let me tell you, marriage is meant to be enjoyed.
Can you listen to yourself, Jeremy? Can you listen to yourself? Eh? Okay, you want to tell me that you're supporting domestic violence?
Wait, I'm coming. Are you insulting me? You're calling me a domestic animal.
Jeremy, you know you don't understand simple English. I said domestic violence. Domestic violence.
Better. If not, I would have shown you that I belong. See, I belong. I belong.
You belong where? You belong where?
I'm a Sabbatarian. It takes me nothing. Candle 15 naira. The red one 18 naira. Mama, you gotta go.
Jeremy, food is ready.
By the way, what did you people prepare?
Why are you asking me? Am I the chef?
Alright. Go there. Ask the chef what she prepared. Then come back here and give me the news before we leave this place.
That's what? Huh? Ask who? See, she's not going anywhere. Your own is to get yourself to that kitchen. Eat what you...
So, Mr. Chief, what's it?
Doctor, I'm not happy with this. You gave me 100% assurance. Why all this? Why all this delay?
I told you, it was 40% going to work. Come on. Plus a spinal cord injury we are talking about. All we need to do is try. And of course use other medical experiments.
Would you please forgive me? Forgive me for dashing you hope. Forgive me for dashing you hope. I'm disappointed in myself for giving her this hope. Can't you understand what she's going through?
Mr. Jude, you were stressing yourself too hard. Just pull yourself together. She's already on the medical therapy. Who knows, it might just work.
Doctor, please stop telling me all that. Stop giving me all that crap. I'm not tired of using her as guinea pig. See, let me tell you. In fact, this charger, by tomorrow, I'll make sure I get her papers together and take her to London so that she gets better. What's all this?
Guinea pig, you say?
Yes!
Come on.
I'm not tired.
Calm down, Mr. Chief.
You promised me this thing's supposed to be 100% sure.
It hasn't gotten to that. Please, just give her some time, and she is likely going to bounce back. Just be patient. Be patient, okay?
Don't understand. You're not understanding me. You don't understand the kind of pain she's going through.
I do understand. You know why? Because I am a medical doctor. Calm down. Just calm down. Mr. Jude, just calm down. Okay? Everything is going to be fine. With time. Okay?
Your Majesty, My daughter went through a lot. She almost lost her life because of Prince Olisa's ill treatment towards her.
I know. And that was why I sent delegates to hold a conversation with you. My son did not do well treating that lady the way he did, and I was against his behavior anyway. I wouldn't want to go ahead bugging with the whole story, but the truth of the matter is that my son is now a changed man. I want your daughter back to this palace. Yes.
Just like that? I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It's going to be very difficult. My daughter has already moved on. I don't think she would like to have any discussion or anything to do with Prince Olisa.
Mamoju, I know your fears. But as the king of Obako Kingdom and the head of this royal family, I am giving you my word that your daughter will never ever experience any bad thing in this family. We love her and we want her back. Just talk to her. Yes. Guard! Guard!
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I cannot accept.
See, that's what I'm telling you. No, just stop this. At least finally we can now have peace in this palace. No more beating and every time crying. Since Prince Olisa has finally sent his wife, his crippled wife home.
Jeremy, she passed through a lot in this palace. Prince Olisa at least would have engaged the service of a nurse to take care of her rather than turning her into a punching bag.
I don't understand. Tell me, what were you expecting? Huh? Don't you know that people marry because they want to enjoy their marriage? Huh? Yes! Instead, look at it. It's Prince Olisa that is the one carrying his crippled wife around instead of Nana Kurioko. Nah, let me tell you, marriage is meant to be enjoyed.
Can you listen to yourself, Jeremy? Can you listen to yourself? Eh? Okay, you want to tell me that you're supporting domestic violence?
Wait, I'm coming. Are you insulting me? You're calling me a domestic animal.
Jeremy, you know you don't understand simple English. I said domestic violence. Domestic violence.
Better. If not, I would have shown you that I belong. See, I belong, go. I belong.
Now, you belong where? You belong where?
I'm a Sabbatarian. It takes me nothing. Candle 15 naira, the red one 18 naira. Mama, Gradioko.
Jeremy, food is ready.
By the way, what did you people prepare?
Why are you asking me? Am I the chef?
Alright. Go there. Ask the chef what she prepared. Then come back here and give me the news before we leave this place.
Ask what? Huh? Ask who? See, she's not going anywhere. Your own is to get yourself to that kitchen. Eat whatever they prepare.
Hey, Che. Indeed, you are telling me like I look into your future. The vision is not clear, but I see katakata or in form of like I see you having problem. Don't allow me to bring domestic violence to you. Hey, move and then command. Go check what I asked you to do.
You stay there. She's going nowhere.
If I command that you recommend, you not like me. Move and go and ask her.
Stay.
Yes. Both of you, move.
You're sick in the head.
She's not here. What do you mean she's not here? I gave you my daughter. And you promised to take very good care of her. What happened? I sincerely apologize for what my son did to your daughter. I promise you, I will protect her this time. And I won't let any harm come to her by turning her into a punching bag. Despite the fact that your son caused her present predicament, still he has the guts to treat her as if she is not human. Your Majesty, you will not see my daughter. Please, can I see her? I want to apologize to her on behalf of my son. Like I said before, she is not here. What do you mean she's not here? Then where is she? A friend of hers, who just came back from the States, took her to a better hospital. He strongly believes that something can be done to those legs. And that was exactly what I expected from your son. Did I hear you say he? Yes, he. Wait. Did you not tell him your daughter is married to my son? I mean, she's my daughter-in-law. Married? Mind you, it's a taboo. She is married to my son. They are not divorced yet. Yes.
Jeremy, Uborone Kamparogi, Jeremy, Uborone Kamparogi. Jeremy.
The curse is broken. You are cleansed. Oh no, we'll take him home.
My prince. Go, I'm coming after you.
Yes, doctor. Yeah, I'm curious about what? Look, I'm scared. Can she ever walk again?
Mr. Jude, calm down. I told you, but when the cord is injured, a variety of factors come in place, which actively suppress the growth of a nerve.
I don't understand, doctor.
Mr. Jude, you have nothing to worry about. You know why? Because I have applied a new system of treatment, which I think is going to help in the growth of the nerves. Hopefully it's going to work.
So are you giving me 100% assurance that she'll walk again?
For now, I give you 40% assurance. Because it's a new experiment. Let's just hope it works. You have nothing to worry about.
Doctor, I have to worry.
You have nothing to worry about.
Okay, what's the next step?
Therapy. That's the next step. Yes.
Okay, see, doctor. Whatever it's going to cost, I'm ready to pay anything to see that girl walk again. Promise me that she'll walk again, and I will do anything, I said anything, to see her walk again.
Good. Now you're talking.
The future is bright, but the enemy want to stop it. Your future is bright. Ndio jolity ya sonda. It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you made. me cry when I see the beautiful things.
Alright.
It leaves me speechless each time I remember the horrible things I did to that woman. I keep wondering, how did I mess myself up in this manner?
Come sit. My son, all that belongs to the past now. Then you were not in your right frame of mind. You were like a robot, under the control of some unseen remote. You see, everything happening to us is there for us to learn our lessons for life. Now it's time for you to pick up your broken pieces.
Oh, Father. All I feel now is just like a newborn. You know that energy when you don't even know the first step to take. And in that state, my past keeps crawling up, coming back to me. I don't know what to do.
My son, this is time for you to put those energies to good use and forget whatever has happened in the past. You see, we fought the war and we won. That is the important thing.
I wish to make it up to her for everything I've put her through. Okay? But I still have one big problem.
Problem? What is it?
I love my wife. I want to see my wife, but I don't know where to start.
Start from the beginning. Make her love you again. That is it.
Indira, who was that at the gate?
Nobody. Maybe it's just construction people braiding the road.
Construction people? And the king is not aware?
It's not everything that the king we know now.
Let me find out.
Where you go? Look, there's a private kitchen here. Like, if I allow you use this leg and ask these people why they are grading our road.
Okay, let me find out now.
Shut up! People like you don't like the government working. So if I just say you will move to go check what as commissioner for road grading or commissioner for Ipolitajaruziano. Oh no! No, what do you even tell the king to come down so that you climb the throne and settle family matters? Anybody more? Don't try that next time. Go. The princess said you should come and do something in her room. Go meet her in her room.
The princess? When did I start attending to the princess?
Jeremy,
Repeat the English again. I didn't hear you right.
You heard me right. That when did I start attending to the princess?
I shall die. I look into your future. I see you struggling with your traveling bag. You are moving. Pray so that it will not be village you are going to. I make it like December and January. See you. Oh, you feel you are too big to attend to the princess. It's okay. Let me go and tell the princess that you said that. When do I start attending to the princess? No, sir.
Indira, the king sends for you immediately.
The king?
I told you. You were here ranting your mouth. Blah. Then you forgot that the princess was upstairs. She heard you, obviously brought the head downstairs to her father. The king also heard you and brought the head to the palace maiden. Means it has rigid. Regile? No, nonsense. And I check and I'm Ezoro. Also Vubu Okogi.
The therapy session is always the hardest.
That leaves me in so much pain. But I know I'll be alright. I will be fine.
It's just that I miss my mother. I miss my brother. I can't wait to see them once again.
I miss them so much.
Don't worry. I know you miss them. They sent them. Okay, I promise you the next time I come, you will speak with them. Just please focus on recovering, alright? Everything will be fine.
Thank you so much for being the angel God used to save my life. Thank you for everything you have done for me. But you know, sometimes I see myself dreaming about those things I love to do. I see myself dancing. You know I love dancing.
I know you miss them. And I miss them too. Just focus on getting better first. I'll try everything in my power to see you walk again. Do you understand? And also, I want to say thank you.
Thank you. Why are you thanking me? I should be the one singing praises for everything you have done for me. Please, do not say that again.
Uju. You don't have to thank me. I should be the one thanking you for letting me do this. Uju, you mean more than a friend to me. That's why I'm sparing no expense to see you get better. Uju, you mean more than a friend. I swear. I want to see you get better so that I can. Oh, doctor.
Good day, Mr. Jude.
Oh, good day, doctor.
Yes, how are we doing?
I'm good. Are you?
Very well. I was told you wanted to see me.
Yes, I met one of your nurses. And, okay, I didn't want to see you.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, would you? I'll give it to you.
So, Mr. Jude, what's it?
Doctor, I'm not happy with this. You gave me 100% assurance. Why all this? Why all this delay?
I told you it was 40% going to work. Come on. This is spinal cord injury we are talking about. All we need to do is try. And of course use other medical experiments. you please forgive me? Forgive me for dashing you hope. Forgive me for dashing you hope. I'm disappointed in myself for giving her this hope. Can't you understand what she's going through?
Mr. Jude, you were stressing yourself too hard. Just pull yourself together. She's already on the medical therapy. Who knows? It might just work.
Doctor, please stop telling me all that. Stop giving me all that crap. I'm not tired of using her as guinea pig. See, let me tell you. In fact, this charger, by tomorrow, I will make sure I get her papers together and take her to London so that she get better. What's all this?
Guinea pig, you say?
Yes!
Come on.
I'm not tired.
Calm down, Mr. Jude.
You promised me this thing's supposed to be 100% sure!
It hasn't gotten to that. Please, just give her some time, and she is likely going to bounce back. Just be patient. Be patient, okay?
Don't understand. You're not understanding me. You don't understand the kind of pain she's going through.
I do understand. You know why? Because I am a medical doctor. Calm down. Just calm down. Mr. Jude, just calm down. Okay? Everything is going to be fine with time. Okay?
What is it? I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I cannot accept.
No, Mamuji, no. I have not seen where a royal gift is rejected. No. It's a royal gift from the royal family. You take it, you can use it anyhow you want. We love your daughter, we want her back. It's yours. It's nothing. We want your daughter back.
It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose. I can't believe you allow it to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, that you allow it to happen. The life you are living now, this life you are living now, and the other trials, it's just a testimony. Trials, it's just a testimony. Rising up to be told, raising up to be told. Back to kingdom, kingdom of peace, kingdom of peace. Back to kingdom, what is the cause of this bad attitude? I'm a kingdom, come on, you. What is the cause of these things? What is the cause? Nyega warrior.
Jude. Yes, that's Jude, my cousin.
Mama the mom.
Ah, Jude. Hey. Hey.
Mama.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Jude, what are you doing here?
One name.
Rose.
How are you?
I'm fine, no. Jude, please, did you see my daughter?
Yes, I saw her.
How is she?
She's very fine. I came with a surprise.
Surprise?
Yes, Mama, I came to surprise you. Yes, a very nice surprise.
What is it?
Let me show you.
Uju, Mom. Uju. Walk. Uju.
Your future is bright.
Uju, walk. Oh my God. You can walk again. Oh my God. Uju, walk. You're on your feet. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God. Uju, walk. Hey. Uju, walk. Thank you. Oh my God. Hey. God bless you for me. God will put all your enemies to shame.
Amen.
We shall be well with you 1 million times. Chineke, look at that. Ujua can walk. Ujua can walk. Yes. Ujua, walk for me. 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 Yes, I can walk.
The future is bright. The enemy want to stop it. Your future is bright. And your jolly to your Sunday.
Sister, what happened? Why are you sitting here like someone who has lost a child? What do you expect? You talk as if you don't know what is happening. Sister, what is happening now? What happened? Tell me and stop making me nervous. Have you not noticed that our sales have dropped drastically? The prince no longer patronizes us. And I have inquired from my reliable source. Nobody knows his whereabouts. I really miss him. Huh. Sister, me too. I miss those days too. But why can't we go to the palace and look for him? Here. Have you forgotten what happened to you the last time you went there? Well, I don't want to go. Yes, sister, I know, but let's have little faith. Little. Let's go and look for him. I need to go, please. Sister, think about this thing I'm telling you. Please.
Hello? Is anybody home? Hello? Anybody home?
Ozioma, is this really you? How do you know I was back?
Your brother told me.
So what do you want?
I'm very, very sorry you had to find out about Uche and I. But trust me, there was nothing between us. There was nothing. I only accepted him just because of the money he was giving to my mother and I. But believe me, there was nothing. And when I came back to apologize, I learned that you've traveled. I'm so sorry. I'm truly sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Who's your mom? Uzoma, you betrayed me. You betrayed the love I had for you. Because of what you did to me, I had to run away from this town and travel. So I can go and have my peace somewhere else. And by the way, what do you really want here?
I came to apologize to you. I can't imagine life without you. I really want you back.
Whose child is this?
Her name is Adanna. She's your daughter.
It makes me cry.
I was pregnant when we had that fight. Ada, that's your daddy.
It makes me cry when I see the beautiful things you may lose.
Thanks for the groundnut.
I can't believe
You should be
you
happy.
allow me to.
But I don't know why you like this groundnut of a thing. I don't really like it.
I like it a lot.
It's really happy. Well, sister, let me get my phone.
Okay.
It's good to see you back on your feet again. When I got the news, I couldn't believe it. Thank God you're fine.
What have you come here to do?
I've come to apologize to you. I come in peace. You're my wife.
You're what? Is it the same woman you recklessly sent to a wheelchair and turned into a punching bag? Or the one you almost wanted to kill before your sister came and saved her? Which one exactly, if I may ask? Please, Prince Olisa, whatever your name is called, it is best for you to leave this compound now. I am not your wife.
We can sort this out.
There is absolutely nothing to sort out. Nothing. Absolutely nothing to sort out.
Where do you think you're going?
Calm down, bro. Just calm down, okay? I know a lot of water has passed under the bridge, but this is something you and I can sit down as men and discuss over a bottle of drink.
I should calm down. I should calm down. No, just wait for me. Just wait for me.
Please leave this compound. It is too late to sort anything out. Leave.
My prince, I think we should leave.
You're still there! Okay, will you leave here also? Now after having my sister useless, you want to come back here? You cannot do for yourself. Okay, because the sister here. Come and live here also. Get back. I said live here. Let him go. That's what you come down here. You come back and marry her. You're widening. Better carry this rubbish out. Live here. Oh yeah, live here.
Keep it safe. Keep it safe.
What's wrong? It's my doubt.
It's alright.
It's a breeze. No doubt. But what went wrong?
I'm not happy.
Do what you did to yourself. I want this king to be.
No, please. No. Calm down, please. Listen, that will be difficult. Because Ujunwa has warned every one of us never to mention Olisa's name anywhere around her. Didn't your brother tell you his last experience? Didn't he?
He did. But something can be done now. Rose.
Nothing can be done. That will be beating a dead horse. Wait a minute. Why the sudden interest in Ujunwa? Your brother almost killed that girl. And he's going to do that again.
Don't be too sure. Look, I can assure you that this will never repeat itself again. Olisa Emeka was under pressure. But right now, his head is very clear. He is willing to become a good husband for Uju again.
Ujunwa does not want to see him at all. And you trust him?
With all my heart.
As I was saying, the best way to eat an elephant on your part is to cut it into pieces. I really understand how disappointed you and your family are with Prince Olise, but he has been passing through a lot.
He never cared about my daughter for one bit. She suffered a lot at the palace. He never showed remorse at all. Okamadu say me, eh?
Mamuju, let us not make mountain out of molehill. I come in the name of King Douglas, who has already spoken to you, remember? He is considerate by asking his son to marry your daughter Uju for hurting her. Why can't you be patient and try to understand?
Because my daughter deserves to be happy. Eh? What is even wrong with all these rich people? They think they can control people anyhow. Eh?
Prince Olisa is a changed person.
Nne, you know who is right. My son will never maltreat your daughter again. I am the one giving you my word. My son wants your daughter to return. He wants her to return so that he can start punching her again. No, it won't happen.
That is why he asks for an opportunity to prove himself worthy.
Yes.
Do not make it hard on him.
You're a woman like me. Why don't you understand? I've heard you people. You have to give me time to think over it. I'll get back to you.
I will not know myself again. I will recall my senses. I will not know myself again.
I want to use this medium to thank you for everything you have done for me. Without you, I wouldn't be on my feet today. Thank you so much, my dear. I pray that God Almighty will continue to bless, protect and prosper you in all you do. Thank you once again.
Ujunwa, I've told you to stop thanking me. Stop thanking me. Ujunwa, your happiness matters to me. Your joy matters to me. My happiness now is that I can see you walk and do the things you wish to do for yourself. I cannot have all this money and watch you sit on that wheelchair. Your happiness matters to me. You know, it's not me that you should be thanking. It's God that made this money available. Please, stop thanking me, okay?
If you say so, but my gratitude.
Ujunwa. What about my proposal? You've not said anything about it.
I haven't said anything about your proposal because of the fact that I'm still married to the prince of this land, in as much as we are no longer living together. But we haven't divorced yet. But before I get into any relationship, I need to squash the previous one. And I'm still here to do that. Please, you would have to give me time to sort myself out. And then I'll get back to you.
You need more time. Please. I'll wait. But I just want you to promise me I have it in your mind that someone who cares about you is waiting. Please.
Of course, I'll have that in mind. Because you are a sweet soul.
Please don't.
No, that's the truth. I'll have that in mind, trust me.
Anyway, I have to rush. I have my sites. People are calling me, so let me go and check up. I'll come and see you.
Thank you.
Alright?
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Take it easy.
Yes, I'm fine.
We are leaving. I know a lot has happened within these past few years, and I don't blame you for it. But feel free to visit your daughter whenever you want.
I will tell you the truth. I didn't hate you. No, my daughter, just give me small time so I can sort myself out.
No problem. I won't put you in any tight situation. Just take your time.
I promise I'll keep in touch. Okay? Come here. Little one.
Daddy, I will miss you. Please, always know that I love you.
I love you too. Come here.
Alright.
Always be a good girl, okay?
Okay.
And always know that Daddy loves you.
Okay.
Promise me you'll be a good girl.
Promise.
Alright, let's go.
No, I cannot do this, Mama. I just can't. What if this is my last chance? What if he finally kills me?
God forbid. Never. Say that. I pray it never gets to that. The king gave me his word. And this can be a chance for me to wipe away my tears. He also promised to make our life better.
Are you serious? Yes. Mama, I don't understand you sometimes. So you want to trade me for a better life? Is that what you want to do?
No, my daughter. All I'm pleading is for you to listen to your heart and make a decision that will benefit all of us. Yes, I know you had a bad experience at the palace, but the prince has asked for a second chance. Please, my daughter, grant him his request, because everyone deserves a second chance.
No, Mama. I cannot try it. You don't know what I went through in that house. I can't try it. I am not going back to that house no matter whatever they promised you. I cannot try it. Never will I.
Please, my daughter. Please.
Mama, please, let's drop this discussion. Let's cook this food and get out of here. I'm not going back to that palace. I don't want to die yet. Mama, no people.
gonna be fast, my father.
The future is bright, but the enemy want to stop it. Your future is bright, and your jollity is under.
Oh yes, my son.
Father.
The gods of my ancestors are already with you.
He say,
you shall be well.
He say,
you have to take time. You know, once bitten, twice shy.
Yes, Father.
We are not going to disappoint ourselves any longer.
Yes, Father. Yes, Father.
Go well.
Thank you, Father.
All right.
My darling sister. I'll miss you too. I'll keep in touch.
What do we have here?
My prince, I forgive you.
You do? Thank you.
What's the matter?
Wow. Thank you for everything. I promise to make it up to you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry. I apologize for everything.
It's okay.
I told you! What did you do for me? I told you! Our wife! I told you my prince is a husband material. 150 yards!
My child, you're
welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling.
Well. I thank the gods of my ancestors. I'm so happy to be alive to witness this day. Police Emeka,
Father,
this journey has to be cancelled.
Obviously.
This calls for a big celebration.
Immediately.
Immediately.
Indira, get the drinks and the food ready. We are going into a big celebration now.
Let's get inside. Welcome.
Thank you.
The future is bright, but the enemy want to stop it.
I can't wait to make it up to you.
Your future is bright, and your jollity is under.
Brother, so what next?
Yeah, I want to get to Lagos so I can arrange my traveling documents. Maybe when I get back, I go and see those your mass people and do some formalities.
What about Ujunwa?
See, I would have loved to marry Ujumo, but I had a meeting with the prince, and the way the young man told me everything, I think the guy still loves her. So I don't want to be a barrier between them, despite the money I spent on making her work again.
Right.
Whatever I did for God. Do you understand?
Yes.
So I want to give Ozio my chance.
Yes, brother. Your idea is very, very good. Huh?
But don't forget that I told you.
About the camera. Remember this camera, Loomis GH4? I need it so that I will be shooting small this thing.
So you now know camera names?
There's one of my friend that has YouTube, Nollywood TV too. I want to join him.
So you want to join movie industry now?
Hi brother, I mean him. So I will follow them to be shooting all these small clips and be posting.
It's a good idea. It's a good idea. But I know it's going to cost me too much money. But you promise me that if I sponsor this your project, you will not mess up.
Ha, brother! Just open it for me and leave the rest to God. Eh?
Then I'll buy it.
Hey!
One other thing. Take care of this compound.
I will.
And go to my site and supervise them.
I will, brother.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, brother.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, brother.
And the money I gave you for pocket money, manage it well.
Ha, I will.
Manage it well.
I will, brother.
Don't call me for money because I will be in Lagos. I will stay in Lagos for a very long time.
Okay, brother. Thank you. You don't try. Hey! Imagine me.
Manage that money very well.
Okay, brother.
Don't call me on the phone and ask me for
money. No.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom. This is disgrace. This is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much. I will not know myself.